So I ordered this cargo net online and saved 50% for my local dealership. I couldn't believe it, but when I did receive it, I was shocked. Here it is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We can do an unboxing and I'm going to tell you all about it. Thanks for watching. And I wanted to do a quick unboxing and a quick review to show you a little bit of what it's like. Let's cut it open and take a look at it. It is for my car. I ordered it online and it came in a couple days. So it was wrapped nicely. So this is a car mat for the back of the trunk of the vehicle, just so you know. Well, that was a job. So you can see here it came wrapped just like you see here. Goes in the back of a 2022 Lexus RX 350. I got it from the dealership online. And let's take a look at it here in the back. Unwrap it. It should fit perfect. I was thinking about aftermarket ones, but I saw this online. I couldn't beat the price. The price was excellent, so I ordered it online, and here it is. So you can see it is branded Lexus. It does fit perfectly. It takes a couple days, and it'll set right down. It'll seat right into the vehicle, nice and flat. Let's take off the package and take a look at it and just see the quality. Okay, so after a little bit of work, you can see here it does fit nice. What's going to happen, this will all settle down, this will all fold down nicely, this will all set in, this will all wrap. That's why it looks like that. But I like the way it looks. I like the quality. It was much better than having it just a plain mat underneath it. I didn't want to ruin the carpet and the tires underneath here, but I wanted something here to protect the back so when I put things down it doesn't get ruined. So I ordered this online and I actually like it. It's nice quality. It's got a good build. It's got a nice rubber feel to it, so it protects the back as well as that has that nice logo right here, which I do love. You can see it fits perfectly. It'll just actually fold down and be beautiful. A couple days, it'll just set down by itself. That's just being, like I said, being folded up, and that's it. All right, guys, have any questions or comments, leave down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. As always, I do appreciate that. Again, I'll leave a link down below where you can get a mat for your car. A link down below, like I said, and any questions or comments, leave down below. You can trust. I wasn't sure if it was going to be legit, and here it is. It did come, and it's, you know, backed by Amazon, so I wasn't really worried about that. So as you can see, I love it. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. I just want to do a quick unboxing and a quick showing about this mat I got online, and yes, it is cool, and it is exactly as it stated. And I saved 50% from the dealer's price, my local dealer. That's the big deal. So this goes for like $160 or $180, right around there, and I paid like 80 bucks, something like that. But I'll leave a link down below. Every car could be different, and yours could be different. So, and at the time of this video, it can be different now. So don't blame me later if the prices go up, but this is what the price is. All right, guys, I appreciate it as always. Hit that subscribe button, like and share, and don't forget to consider that super thanks. That super thanks helps support my channel, and everything I do helps me grow my channel and do more unboxings and more reviews to teach you about deals and steals. All right, guys, don't forget to check out all these other videos or all my other car videos as well. Appreciate your time as always. Thanks for watching.